What's his name?
Her name is Silly.
City. Hi, City. City, you're over there.
Hey, ring the doorbell. Good girls. Ring the doorbell. Good girl.
Oh my goodness.
Good girl.
Was that like 2 minutes?
And now she'll lick your camera. I just can't even hardly keep up with you, Daryl. Alrighty. Find the doorbell. Good girl. That is smart to teach him. Jen, you should look at that.
That's what I need to do.
Look at that. Yeah, good girl.
That was
Smart dog.
2 minutes of training.
2 minutes of training?
Right? Was that about 2 minutes?
Now you have to associate it with something besides treats. But they've got a little treat pocket in there.
Yeah, that's to get them started.
So this goes outside?
Right. It goes outside, or you can put it on the inside. Either way.
So if
will
you just
work.
have an inside dog, you would just get the single pack?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I want to do
Yeah.
that.
What do you
Because
mean a single pack?
Because
What's a double
he doesn't
pack?
stay outside.